Hi, friends. I'm Hazel. Welcome to Slow English. Learn English with Hazel. Speak slowly, learn clearly, grow every day.
This is Hazel. She is kind and caring. This is Leo. Good morning. Hazel waters the plants in the garden. She waters every flower with care. Not me. Leo stays in bed. His toys are all over the floor.
Leo, please pick up your toys.
I will do it later, Mom.
Hazel, can you fold these clothes? Of course. I love helping you. Leo, your shoes are on the table again. I don't want to move them now.
Hazel, thank you for watering the plants.
You are welcome, Mom.
Leo, please put your cup in the sink.
Just leave it there, please.
Grandma needs help in the kitchen. Hazel runs quickly to help her. Hazel and Leo visit the small shop with Grandpa.
Hazel, choose one candy for you.
I will choose the small one.
Leo takes the biggest candy quickly. A little girl is standing near the shop, feeling sad. Hazel gives her candy to the girl. Here, this is for you. Thank you so much. Leo, can you share your candy too? No, this candy is only mine. Grandpa looks at Leo quietly. Leo looks away. At the park, a small boy cannot find his way home. Hazel holds his hand gently. Don't worry, I will help you find your mom. The whole family gathers for Grandpa's birthday dinner.
Listen, everyone. Tonight, we will give a special gift to the...
I want that gift. I will try my best too. Grandma sits with the children after dinner.
Children, kindness also means listening carefully.
I always listen, Grandma. Sometimes I don't listen, Grandma.
It's okay, Leo. You can always try again.
Thank you, Grandma. I will try harder now.
After dinner, the cousins play a board game together. Hazel, it's your turn to roll the dice. Thank you for waiting for me. Leo loses the game and feels upset. It's okay, Leo. Let's play again together. Really? Yes. Playing together is more fun than winning. While playing, Leo finds a small box under the sofa. He opens it and sees Grandpa's old watch inside. This watch looks very special. Should I keep it a secret? Leo thinks for a moment, then walks to Grandpa. Grandpa, I found your watch under the sofa. I did not hide it from you. You made an honest choice today. I feel happy now, Grandpa. Grandpa smiles at both children. Tonight, I am giving this special gift to Hazel and Leo. Both of you showed kindness today.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next story. Goodbye, friends.